Story 2. The Oilman and His Parrot. An oilman possessed a parrot which used to amuse him with its agreeable prattle and to watch his shop when he went out. One day, when the parrot was alone in the shop, a cat upset one of the oil jars. When the oilman returned home, he thought the parrot had done this mischief, and in his anger he smote the parrot such a blow on the head as made all its feather drop off, and so stunned it that it lost the power of speech for several days. But one day the parrot saw a bald headed man passing the shop, and, recovering its speech, it cried out, "Pray, whose oil jar did you upset?" The passer-by smiled at the parrot's mistake in confounding baldness caused by age with the loss of its own feather due to a blow.